Every story begins with the opening of a book. And in that book, you will find a story that will touch your hearts forever. Deep in the heart of the forest, hidden from the world, stood a tall, lonely tower. Inside that tower lived a girl with the most beautiful hair in all the world. Her name was Rapunzel. Her hair flowed like a river of gold shining in the sunlight. Days passed quietly as Rapunzel watched the world only through her tower window. For the tower belonged to a wicked and powerful witch. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your golden hair. And Rapunzel would lower her long shining hair down the tower. The witch would climb the golden braid all the way to the top. But behind the tower walls, Rapunzel was very lonely. One day, a young prince was riding through the forest, and suddenly he heard a voice as beautiful as a song. It was Rapunzel, singing at the window of the tower. The prince stood still, completely enchanted by her voice. He watched carefully and saw the witch climb the tower. That is when the prince formed a brave plan. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your golden hair. Rapunzel was surprised when she saw the prince. The prince climbed all the way to the top of the tower. And that was the first time they met.
You came.
I'd never miss this.
Oh my God,
And a
you're
friendship
right. This is
began.
absolutely incredible.
I told you, the view from up here is something else.
And friendship became love.
So,
The
we just
prince
go through
promised
here
he would
and we'll be
set
free.
And then
Rapunzel
we'll meet at the
free.
stables. I'll have the carriage waiting.
But the witch discovered their secret. The furious witch took Rapunzel to an abandoned
This is
cabin.
alive!
But the prince never gave up. He went to find her. After a long search, he finally found them and defeated the witch. But she had wounded him with her claw. He untied Rapunzel and collapsed to the ground. The wound was deep and painful. Her tears were magical and healed the prince. After he was healed and the magic of their story unfolded, they set off toward his great and powerful castle. And so begins their happily ever after. And as the pages of this story slowly close, the tale of Rapunzel and the prince reminds us that courage, kindness, and love always find their way, even when everything seems lost. One journey comes to an end, but many more are just beginning. If you enjoy stories like this and magical worlds of imagination, follow, like, and share this story, so the world of wonder may reach as many hearts as possible. Your support is the light that inspires me to create new, beautiful, and meaningful stories for you. Until our next journey, may imagination always find its way to you.